Get ready for a magical journey where AI meets imagination.
Once upon a time, deep within the heart of a mysterious jungle, there dwelled a cruel and wicked woman named Zara. Zara possessed incredible magical powers that she had twisted into darkness. Her heart was filled with greed and a thirst for power. The animals of the jungle lived in constant fear of Zara's malevolence. She would use her dark magic to capture innocent creatures and force them to do her bidding. The jungle, once vibrant and lively.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am back again with something truly special for you. In this captivating video, we dive into the fascinating world of storytelling and explore how AI tools have revolutionized the way we create unforgettable tales for children. If you want to create a mesmerizing story like the one I just showed to you, look no further. Because in this video we will show you how you can create amazing stories using these AI tools which I am going to showcase you in this video. But before starting the video, it is requested to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will stay updated with my latest content. In this video, we will learn how to create stories for kids in a way that has never created before. So let's start. The first tool we are going to use is the ever reliable ChatGPT, which is a powerful AI language model that can help you generate amazing story ideas. With ChatGPT, you all need to do is to provide some input or prompt and it will generate a complete story that you can customize as per your liking. So let's first create the story that we are going to use in this video. So first let's open the ChatGPT to create our story. Here I am going to write my prompt of keywords so that it can generate a story for me. As we can see, it has created the story for me, and now what I'm going to do here is to create the illustration as per my story. So to create the illustration, we are going to use the Leonardo.ai, which is an AI based design tool that can help you create high resolution images that bring your story to life. With Leonardo.ai, you can simply generate beautiful images that you can use for your stories and making it more engaging. So let's go to the Leonardo.ai. So I'm going to open the Leonardo.ai. Here you will have to click on this first link. This is the interface. If you don't have the account on Leonardo.ai, then you will have to join through email address and you will have to provide your other details, and then you can use this amazing tool. I already have my account here, so I'm going to click here on this launch app and I'm going to click here on this yes, I am whitelisted. It will bring me to the main page of Leonardo. So once login, here you can see the main page of Leonardo.ai, and if we go and click on this community feed, these are some of the recent creations of the users. You can check from here as well. Well, according to me, this Leonardo.ai is the best AI art generator in my opinion, and there are plenty of things that we get here that aren't present in other similar AI art generators. And if I click here on this personal feed, these are some of my creations which I have created before. From here in the featured model, you can select the styles of illustrations you are going to create. I'm going to select this style. I'm going to create it with this model style illustrations. At Leonardo, you get 150 tokens which you can utilize for 24 hours. And it will be refilled after 24 hours. And if you want to use more, you can also upgrade to their paid subscriptions. So we can select the number of images we are going to generate. I personally prefer to generate 2 images for each prompt. So let's copy the script and generate the images. So I'm going to copy the first line and I'm going to generate the illustration for that. I've copied the script and now I'm going to paste it here. In the AI art generation tool, I need to generate high resolution, so I'm also putting it here as 8K. And now what I'm going to do here is to select the size for the image. I'm going to use this 1024 multiply 768. Now I'm going to click here on this generate option. Let's see what it brings to me. So So it has generated these images. I can use these images, but I want to generate further images. So let's just regenerate. So it has generated these images for me. Personally I like this one, so I'm going to save it. And now I'm going to select the other lines, and so on. You have to create the images, and you will have to repeat the process till you have all the images required for your story. So now that I have generated all the images which are required for my story, so after we have downloaded all the images, let's animate them. This is actually the fun part, and it will add a life in our still images. So let's do that. And to achieve that, we will use a very amazing AI tool at leapixconverter.com. So first let's open the leapixconverter.com, and you will have to open this first link. Now first you have to create your account here, and for that you will have to input your details, including your email address and other details. It's a very amazing tool. So it has brought me to this. You will have to provide your email and password, and then you will receive an email on your provided email address. So but now I'm going to click here on the sign in with Google, and it will automatically log into the home page. So now that I have logged into this website, now after login you will have to click on this plus sign, and what I'm going to do here is to add one of the pic. So let's bring this one. It is going to upload. Now let's see. Wow, this is the animation it has created for this still image. It's looking very realistic, and we can control the movement. Here are some options for that. I'm going to click here, and I can control the movement of the face. If I need the face to not just up and down, I can select this option, and you can always play around with the other options as well. This is a very amazing website. It has totally created a storytelling experience to the next level, and you can also control the movement timing. If you want to fast or slow the movement, you will play around with this option, stopwatch option. You can also increase, and you can also slow the movement of the face. After having satisfied with animation, you will have to download this animation, and I'm going to click here on this MP4, and I'm going to click here on this save option, and it has started the download for me. So the video is downloaded. Let's check. Looking nice. Now I have to repeat the whole act for the other images so that I can complete my story. Now that we have created animation for all our still images, and now is the time for voice recording. And to have the voice recording for my story, you can have many options, but I personally use credoai.com, which you have seen me use in my previous videos also. So let's open the Credo AI and have the voiceover for my story. So I'm going to open the credoai.com. First I'm going to log in myself. After login, I'm going to use the free trial, and I'm going to use this option, AI text dubbing. Now here I'm going to paste my script. So I'm going again to the chat GTP, and I'm going to copy the script. Now let's hear the audition, paste it here. I think this is okay, and I'm going to click here on this confirm, and after that I'm going to click here on this download option.
Once upon a time, deep within the heart of a mysterious jungle, there dwelled a cruel and wicked woman named Zara. Zara possessed incredible magical powers that she had twisted into darkness. Her heart was filled with greed and a thirst for power. The animals of the jungle lived in constant fear of Zara's malevolence. She would use her dark magic to capture innocent creatures and force them to do her bidding. The jungle, once vibrant and lively, became a place of sorrow under her rule. One day, a group of brave children from a nearby village wandered into the jungle.